In this video, we're going to take a look at how to access reports through MyHRW. Now, there are a few different ways to go about this, but in this example, we'll go ahead and from the dashboard come over to where it says Reports. I'm going to click on that. It's going to direct me to a different interface. You can see these tabs located at the top. From Class, we're going to select the desired class we want to look at. And then be sure to select the correct or appropriate textbook that your class or grade level is using. From here, we're going to hover down to where it says Quick Reports. That's the one we recommend you use. And it does pop up a new window. I'm going to go ahead and expand that window. From here, you should be sure that it is the correct class that you're wanting. If from the drop down you see it's not the class you want, go ahead and pick that one you want. Now I'm looking at a few things. Over here, I'm going to be able to see each and every assignment that I've assigned and who's completed it. If you see a percentage, that means in fact the score or the assignment has been completed, and you see the percent that they did. If you see a little mark here, this indicates that the assignment has not yet been completed. Now, if I wanted to get down into the details of an assignment, I can. By hovering over here the actual assignment name, in this example, Module 1 Integers Pretest, I click on it. It's going to bring up so that I can see how did each individual student perform on each item. And I can scroll down if I wanted to see each and every student how they performed. I'm going to go back. If you wanted to get more details, let's say for example there's an individual student and you wanted to see how they performed on any one assignment. I'm going to click on that student and I can see here's the assignment. Assuming they had done multiple assignments, I would click on those and I can see how did they perform specifically on each of these items. If you come over to here where it says student progress, you can see over here overall how they've been performing on all of the various assignments you've had. So this is not just this one assignment, but rather all assignments, and you can get the breakdown by standard and percentage that they've done. There are a few more options, but here's just a basic overview of how you most likely will want to be able to view reports through MyHRW. Thank you.